Every so often, something enters our solar system that reminds us just how little we truly know about the galaxy beyond our Sun. Most of the objects we observe, asteroids, comets, and planets, have been part of our cosmic neighborhood for billions of years. But occasionally, an object arrives from somewhere else entirely. It wasn't born here. It doesn't belong here. And after a brief visit, it will disappear into interstellar space forever. That is exactly why the discovery of 3I, ATLAS captured the attention of astronomers around the world. When the object was first identified, researchers quickly realized they weren't looking at an ordinary comet. Its trajectory showed that it was traveling on a path that could not be explained by an orbit around the Sun. Instead, it was following a hyperbolic course, meaning it had entered our solar system from deep interstellar space and would eventually leave again, never to return. Only a handful of confirmed interstellar visitors have ever been observed, making every new discovery scientifically priceless. Within hours of its detection, observatories across the world turned their telescopes toward the object. Professional astronomers, university observatories, and even experienced amateur skywatchers began collecting images and measurements. Every observation helped refine its orbit and reveal more about its physical properties. Soon, one characteristic stood out. It was moving incredibly fast. Unlike typical comets that have spent millions of years orbiting the Sun, 3I, ATLAS carried the enormous momentum of an object that had traveled between the stars. Its speed alone made it an extraordinary target for research, giving scientists a rare opportunity to study material that formed around another star system long before our own solar system existed. Naturally, public curiosity exploded. Social media filled with dramatic headlines claiming the object was heading directly toward Mars. Others suggested it might suddenly change direction or even be under intelligent control. Videos spread rapidly across the internet, each making more extraordinary claims than the last. But what did astronomers actually know? The answer was far more interesting than many rumors suggested. As additional observations were collected, scientists repeatedly updated the object's projected path. This is completely normal whenever a newly discovered object is tracked over several days or weeks. Every fresh measurement improves the mathematical models, reducing uncertainty and producing increasingly accurate predictions. To many people, these updates look dramatic. One day, an orbit appeared slightly different from the previous calculation. The next day, another adjustment followed. Online speculation interpreted every change as evidence that the object was steering itself. In reality, orbital refinements happen with nearly every newly discovered comet. Even tiny measurement errors can produce noticeable differences when predicting the future path of an object traveling millions of kilometers through space. Another important factor also entered the discussion. If 3I, ATLAS behaves like a comet, sunlight can warm its surface as it approaches the inner solar system. Frozen gases beneath the surface begin escaping into space, creating jets that act almost like miniature thrusters. Although extremely weak, these jets can gradually alter the object's motion. Astronomers have observed this phenomenon many times before. These small changes are known as non-gravitational accelerations, and they are one of the reasons comet trajectories are continuously updated. Still, researchers remain fascinated. Because interstellar objects are exceptionally rare, every unusual observation deserves careful investigation. Powerful observatories, including the James Webb Space Telescope and large ground-based telescopes, are capable of studying an object's composition by analyzing the light it reflects and emits. Using spectroscopy, scientists can identify gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other molecules escaping from its surface. Each chemical signature provides clues about the environment where the object originally formed. In many ways, studying an interstellar visitor is like receiving a geological sample from another planetary system without ever leaving Earth. As more data arrived, excitement continued to grow, not because scientists believed they had found alien technology, but because every observation could teach us something entirely new about how planetary systems form across the galaxy. Even if 3I, ATLAS turns out to be a completely natural object, its scientific value remains extraordinary. It carries chemical fingerprints from a place humanity has never visited. It preserves information older than our civilization. Perhaps even older than our solar system itself. That alone makes it one of the most important discoveries of recent years. But despite the careful work of astronomers, the Internet continued asking a far more dramatic question. What if the object's future path changed again? Could it actually collide with Mars? And if such an impact were somehow possible, what would happen to the Red Planet, and to the robotic explorers that have spent decades uncovering its secrets? Those questions would become the focus of an entirely new investigation. As astronomers continued tracking 3I, Atlas, one question kept appearing across news articles, forums, and social media. Could it hit Mars? It sounds like the plot of a science fiction film, but it's actually a question scientists know how to answer. Every new observation improves the object's predicted orbit. Using precise measurements of its position and speed, researchers calculate where it will travel months, and sometimes years, into the future. According to the available observations, there is currently no confirmed evidence that 3I, Atlas is on a collision course with Mars. While its predicted path has been refined as more data became available, this is a normal part of tracking newly discovered objects. It does not mean the object is behaving intelligently or changing direction on command. Even so, scientists remain interested in one important detail. If 3I, Atlas is an active comet, jets of gas escaping from its surface can create tiny forces that slightly alter its trajectory. This effect has been observed in many comets before. As sunlight warms frozen materials beneath the surface, gases escape into space, acting like microscopic rocket engines. These forces are incredibly small. But over millions of kilometers, even tiny changes can slightly shift an object's future path. This is why astronomers never stop observing newly discovered comets. Every additional measurement reduces uncertainty and improves the accuracy of orbital predictions. While the possibility of a Martian impact remains extremely unlikely based on current evidence, imagining such an event helps scientists understand planetary history. If an object traveling at tens of kilometers per second were to strike Mars, the energy released would be immense. The impact would excavate a massive crater, launch enormous quantities of rock and dust high above the surface, and send shockwaves racing through the surrounding landscape. Some debris could even escape Mars' gravity, entering orbit around the Sun. Events like this shaped the early solar system billions of years ago. In fact, scientists believe countless impacts helped form the surfaces of the Moon, Mercury, Mars, and many other worlds we see today. Modern Mars is also home to an impressive collection of robotic explorers. Orbiters continuously photograph the planet from above. Rovers analyze rocks that may preserve evidence of ancient lakes and rivers. Together, these missions are building one of the most detailed geological records ever assembled for another planet. A large impact near one of these exploration sites would certainly be significant. But there is another possibility that excites scientists even more than destruction. Could interstellar visitors deliver the ingredients for life? This idea is connected to a scientific hypothesis known as panspermia. Panspermia does not claim that life definitely arrived from space. Instead, it proposes that important organic molecules, or perhaps even simple microorganisms under extraordinary circumstances, might travel between planetary systems inside rocks or icy bodies. Laboratory experiments have shown that some complex organic molecules can survive surprisingly harsh conditions. Meteorites found on Earth already contain amino acids and other carbon-based compounds that formed naturally in space. If interstellar objects carry similar chemistry, they become valuable time capsules from distant star systems. Studying them could reveal whether the chemical building blocks of life are common throughout the galaxy, or exceptionally rare. This is one reason scientists are so eager to analyze every photon reflected from objects like 3I, Atlas. The chemistry matters. The minerals matter. Even the dust matters. Every piece of information helps answer one of humanity's oldest questions: how common are worlds capable of supporting life? Of course, whenever a mysterious object appears, more dramatic theories quickly follow. Some internet discussions suggested that 3I, ATLAS might be artificial. Others claimed it was transmitting signals or following a deliberately planned route through the solar system. So far, there is no credible scientific evidence supporting these ideas. Astronomers have found no confirmed signs that the object is a spacecraft or that it is behaving in ways that require an artificial explanation. History offers an important lesson. Many discoveries once appeared mysterious simply because scientists lacked enough information. As better observations became available, natural explanations often emerged. That doesn't make these discoveries less exciting. In many cases, reality proved even more fascinating than the speculation. For now, 3I, ATLAS remains exactly what makes astronomy so compelling: a rare visitor carrying clues from another corner of the Milky Way. Every observation expands our understanding of how planetary systems form.